Thailand is blessed with fertile soils, abundant sunshine, and warm tropical rain. This perfect natural harmony gives birth to one of our greatest prides. We invite you to explore nature's sweetest treasures, the colorful world of Thai fruits. Walking into a local fruit market is a feast for the senses. You will see an endless display of vibrant colors and strange, fascinating shapes. It is a true tropical paradise for fruit lovers. The sheer variety available all year round is simply astonishing, offering a new discovery at every corner. At the center of this world, we have royalty. First is the durian, the king of fruits. With its fierce, thorny shell and a rich, creamy texture inside, it offers a deeply complex flavor that people travel across the world to taste. Right beside it is the mangosteen, the queen of fruits. Beneath its thick purple skin lies a pure snow-white flesh that is delicately sweet, perfectly balancing the heat of the king. Then there is the playful rambutan. Its bright red exterior is covered in soft spikes, but break it open and you find a translucent, incredibly refreshing bite. And we cannot forget the golden Thai mango. Sliced open, it reveals a bright yellow succulent flesh that is as sweet as honey. It is a global favorite that tastes entirely different when eaten from the source. The experience becomes even more exciting when you eat fruit the Thai way. We love to take crisp, sour fruits and dip them into a mixture of sugar, salt, and chili. This creates a brilliant explosion of flavors in your mouth. It transforms a simple fruit into an adventure of sweet, salty, and spicy sensations all at once. Watching a visitor try these fresh fruits for the first time is always a joy. The wide eyes and immediate smiles tell you everything you need to know. Thailand is truly a land of abundance, so come, taste the sunshine, and let nature's sweetest treasures melt in your mouth.